Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the combustion of ethanol with hydrogen peroxide and potassium permanganate. Check this out. For this demonstration, I'm using my welding blanket, a protective shield, 95% ethanol. I'm using 34.5% hydrogen peroxide, a dish, and potassium permanganate. The first step is to coat the bottom of your dish with hydrogen peroxide. The second step is to carefully layer your ethanol along the surface so it just floats on top of the hydrogen peroxide. So you should see a nice layer. I'm using my dropper. I'm just letting it fall very slowly along the edge of my dish. So it makes a nice layer of ethanol. Just like that. Next, I'm going to add about 20 grams of potassium permanganate onto the end of my spoon that I've taped to a glass stir stick so I can do this at a fair distance. This is what your potassium permanganate looks like. The next step is to carefully ignite the surface. Okay, next, you're very carefully going to add your potassium permanganate from behind the shield. Here we go. Just amazing. Let's take a closer look at this reaction. When we started with the potassium permanganate, that's the KMnO4, it really works as a catalyst for the hydrogen peroxide, the H2O2. So when we put that spoonful of potassium permanganate into the burning ethanol, it sinks through that layer of ethanol. And the minute it comes in contact with the hydrogen peroxide, it starts to decompose the hydrogen peroxide into oxygen and water. And that oxygen fans the flame of the burning ethanol. It creates the products MnO2, that's manganese dioxide, H2O, water, O2, oxygen, and KOH is potassium hydroxide. But as that oxygen is released from the decomposing hydrogen peroxide, it fans the flame of that burning ethanol and creates such an amazing flame from behind the shield in this terrific combustion reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.